Clinical studies have shown that the way that you talk to yourself and the specific words you use can significantly impact how you eat. Here are two very simple shifts in the way that you talk to yourself that can dramatically change the way that you eat right now. First, think about adding versus subtracting. When we try to improve our eating habits, we are often thinking from an elimination mindset. People are often thinking about eliminating sugar, starchy foods, fast foods, whatever it may be. Thinking about what you can't have or subtracting things from your diet often makes you feel deprived and sometimes even resentful and maybe even a little angry. When you get up in the morning today, instead of thinking about what you should take off of your plate or subtract, instead ask yourself about what you can add to your plate. Maybe it's today, I'm going to add some vegetables or a healthy snack. Notice how giving yourself something healthy and adding to your life feels much more rewarding and empowering. Second, think start instead of stop. When you are working on improving your eating habits, it's likely that you are using a lot of stop phrases, such as stop eating that, or don't eat that, or you should eat that. It can become a wrestling match with yourself or feel like scolding. An easier technique for you to try so that you don't get into that emotional battle is to ask yourself, what can I start doing right now? For example, saying, instead of saying, I shouldn't eat a sugary food, ask yourself, what snack can I start eating right now? Remember, how you talk to yourself is key to eating mindfully right now.